New at 5, the state is teaming up with hospitals in the Shoals and emergency management officials to make the COVID-19 vaccine available to more people in rural communities. WAAY 31's Breken Terry went to Helen Keller Hospital to learn more about how this collaboration will work.
Right now, we know the Franklin and Colbert County emergency management agencies are in the process of getting grants to buy trailers to take vaccines to rural areas. Those vaccines will be administered by people who work at Helen Keller Hospital.
The biggest thing we have right now is how do we spread around what we have more effectively.
Helen Keller Hospital President Kyle Buchanan said while they wait for more first-round doses of vaccine, they're still planning ahead on how to vaccinate people who can't get to the mass vaccination sites.
We've been in direct contact with Colbert County EMA, the County Commission, and have committed to helping with staffing for that type of model. And of course, all that pending the grant approval, which we are very optimistic about. But yeah, we would absolutely be a part of that.
To do that, the Colbert County Emergency Management Agency applied for a community block grant. The goal is to create mobile vaccination units that can be taken into communities that haven't had as much access. Buchanan said plans are still in the works, but there's a lot of logistics they have to face, like keeping the vaccines cold.
We have a certain number of hours. Once the vial thaws, the clock starts, and we have a few hours to get those shots in arms. That's extremely challenging when you're trying to do that in July in a community that's 30 minutes away from that ultra cold freezer. So those are the challenges that we have to meet, though. We have to find a way to build bridges and partnerships across the community to try to meet that demand and get that help out. And we're still in the process of working through that.
Lauderdale County Emergency Management told me they already have 2 trailers and are outfitting them to take vaccines to rural areas in that county. North Alabama Medical Center employees will help give those doses out when the time comes. In Sheffield, Breken Terry, WAAY 31 News.
It's unclear when these trailers could roll out to help get vaccines to rural areas. WAAY 31 will stay on top of the story.